So guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we'll be unboxing this item. If you've been watching my video, you will notice that the lighting effect on those videos has not been so good, so I decided to add this soft box to it, just to up to the game, right? Just to make my video to be more presentable than it used to previously. Or let me say right now, I'm shooting with a ring light. I know ring light is actually for those makeup artist, but when I started my channel, that was the first light I got. I'm going to show you what my ring light looks like. That's what I have been shooting all my videos with. So this is what my ring light looks like, and this is what I'm shooting with currently. So today we'll be unboxing softbox I got from Amazon. I'll be unboxing it, I will be trying it, I will be testing it. Let's see what's the difference. We'll be testing it, and I'll actually make a video with it, attach it to this video when I'm editing it. So let's see, does it make any difference or is it still the same? Don't worry, we're going to check all that. I know it's going to make my video to look more smarter, but I don't know. But I'm going to try all of this out today. So guys, without wasting time, let's go straight to the business. I got this from Amazon, and this was the fastest delivery I've ever experienced. I ordered this, was it last week, and within a week it was already delivered. Let's unbox it. So another thing, I'm going to commend Amazon. They really packaged it very well. So this was well packaged, you can see it. So oh my god, okay, the first thing here was, so this is my Bible. Oh god, oh my, I ordered this Bible still within 1 week, and my Bible is here. My Bible is here. Oh, that's lovely. So let's set this aside and continue. And so to the main item. So this is the bag. If for example I want to shoot outside, I don't want to shoot inside my room, and I want to carry this out, I can carry it with this bag. And this is so good of it, or of the brand Nice Verde. So this is so good of them, putting a bag, like a hand carrier bag. Another thing here is the manual. You can see the LED softbox lightning kit. So this is the manual. Inside it's well packaged, you can see that. So first of all, the tripod stand. So this is the tripod stand. So let's set this. So it has this, you can use to screw it down, just to tighten it. And it has 3 adjustable pipe. I'm going to adjust it. Just going to leave it at this level. So the next one here is, let's see, oh yeah. So it has a screw, you can use to tighten it so it doesn't move. So I'll have to push this down. So this is the bulb. So guys, if you notice, the bulb came with this, right? So you just have to remove this. You can see it's written remove, then you screw it. So this is the next one. I'm going to open it. So guys, let's just try and see. Before putting in this, let's put on the bulb and test it first. The wire is very long, so the bulb is working. So let's off it. Let's fix this. When you get it, it comes this way, so you have to kind of turn it this way. and it has this that you can use to stick to this end. You can see it. So it comes with, I'm going to turn this so I can show you. So it comes with this the soft part of it, and this is the rough part of it, so it can kind of stick to it. So it's ready. Let's stick to it. So guys, let's on it right back. It has this on and off button, so if you on it, it's on. So if you click it up, our softbox is set. Right now you can see how the background is without the softbox. We are going to try and test it, like shoot with it. Let's see what effect did it add. Does it make any difference, or is it still the same? Is that okay? So guys, so this is us trying out the softbox. So right now I'm using the softbox and the link right I showed you earlier. So guys, does it make any difference? Like, if you ask me, I will say yes. There's a whole lot of difference, right? The softbox adds its own lightning, and the environment is well lit up compared to when I was using just the ring light. If you ask me, I really recommend this softbox. It's really so good. It's so good. I recommend this softbox. The setting was so simple, and the height is really so good, so you can increase it. If you want it taller, you can make it increase the height, and you can as well reduce the height. And the base is really firm, right? It's really firm and strong. I love the softbox. I love it. It's adding more, like the lightning. It's so good. Like, can you feel it? Can you feel it? I can feel the lightning. Like, our here is well lit up compared to when I was using just the link right. So guys, what do you have to say? Do you like the softbox? Does it make any difference in my shooting? Yes, this video right now, does it make any difference? I'm going to off the softbox and shoot with the ring light only, and then I'll unback the softbox and also talk. So so that you can appreciate the different lights. So guys, right now I'm shooting with just the ring light. Can you see that that lightning effect that the softbox gives to it earlier has gone, has disappeared? Like, it's looking dark now, and everywhere it's just looking so warm and not too bright. Do you notice it? Do you notice it? It's just not looking so bright. So let me go on and turn on the softbox so that we can appreciate the effect of the softbox. I'm going to on the softbox right now. Ta-da! Can you see that? Can you see the effect? Can you see here is well lit up? The light is so bright and everywhere is just showing. Can you see the effect? Oh my god, I love this softbox. I love this softbox. So guys, I recommend this softbox, and this is not a paid advert, but then if something is good, something is good, so just sing their praise. Just give a genuine review. So this is my own genuine review of this softbox. I'm going to show you the brand, and I got this from Amazon. I got this like this is less than 30 pounds. Actually, I got this less than 30 pounds. Can't remember the exact price, but I got this less than 30 pounds. I'm going to show you the brand that has this softbox. So guys, this is the brand that has the softbox. Is it the Nice Vidi or Vedi? So guys, I'm in love with this softbox. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, if you are seeing this video for the first time, you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And do you know what? Like and comment. What do you have to say about the softbox? Like, what do you feel about the effect that the softbox added to my video in the comment section, right? Like this video and share this video. This is not a paid advert. This is just me reviewing this softbox I got from Amazon. And turn on the bell button so that you get my notification when I drop any video. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Bye.